Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating common software conflicts, close overlays and streaming apps so nothing hijacks frames. Next, update your GPU drivers and reboot so the display stack is current. Then locate Roblox Player Beta. EXE, open properties, and disable full-screen optimizations. This forces Windows to stop forcing borderless tricks that cause flicker. Once done, also change high DPI settings, and set scaling to be handled by the application. These steps prevent Windows from redrawing the window unexpectedly. Now configure the GPU so Roblox runs consistently. Open your NVIDIA or AMD control panel and set the preferred GPU to high performance for Roblox Player Beta. EXE. This stops GPU switching that can cause frame drops. Make power management maximum performance so clocks don't fluctuate, and set VSync to application controlled to avoid compositor tier. Also make sure Windows display refresh rate matches your monitor's native HC. And disable game mode and the Xbox game bar so the OS won't inject overlays or change rendering paths. Finally, launch Roblox as administrator to ensure permission issues don't block settings. Use Alt+Enter to toggle windowed mode, then full screen. This often forces a clean full screen handshake. If flicker persists, roll back the GPU driver to the previous stable version or run Roblox in windowed borderless mode as a reliable fallback. Make sure all third-party overlays are off and, if needed, test on a clean Windows user profile. If the problem disappears there, a per-user setting or app is causing the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.